So I've received my Style Theory box and I've picked out 3 items that can go with my staples. So let's unbox this together. This is my own white shirt and jeans from my staples pile, and I usually wear this to the office. If I need to meet someone for a lunch appointment in town, I can always pair it up with a statement jacket like this from Style Theory. If I'm heading out at night, I can keep my jeans and change up the top with something a little bit more fun and casual. To get more wears out of my Style Theory outfits, I picked a matching top and bottom set. I can wear the skirt together with this top so it looks like a dress, or I can wear it separately. So that's how you can maximize your wardrobe options with staples you currently own and Style Theory pieces you love. For more style tips, follow Style Theory.